Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Hello. Today's topic is verb and its types. Let's start. First of all, we should know what is verb. Verb is an action word in a sentence which shows an action by a subject. Without verb, a sentence can't give proper sense. For example, he runs fast.
Pulling away across the.
Here, running of sportsmen shows an action. Another example, baby is eating banana.
Okay. Beep. Beep.
Here, eating is showing action of a baby. Let's begin with the types of verb. Number 1. Transitive verb. Number 2. Intransitive verbs. Number 3. Auxiliary verbs. Number 4. Modal verbs. So the first type is transitive verb. Transitive verb is a verb that denotes an action word which passes over a subject to an object. Let me explain with examples. Ali loves his father. Love shows link of subject with object. Ali is subject and father is object. Love is passing over from Ali to father. As you can see in picture. Another example, he throws ball. Throw shows link of subject with object. He is subject, ball is an object. Throw is passing over from he to ball. Third example is, she respects her teacher. Respect shows link of a subject with object. She is subject, teacher is object. Respect, an action is passing over from she to teacher, as you can see in picture. Now, the second type of verb is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is a verb that denotes an action word which does not passes over from a subject to an object. Let me explain with examples. She runs. Run shows an action, but there is no object in sentence, so action can't pass over to any object. As you can see in picture. Second example. Baby laughs. Laughing is showing an action of laugh, but there is no object in sentence, so action can't pass over to any object. Third example is they shout. No object is here as well. To be continued, other two types will be discussed in next video. Thank you for watching.